You won't believe this incredible CNC cutting machine. This is absolutely a beast. 50040 ohm GRBL 1.1f CNC laser engraver 15W wood engraving machine 12 volts 5 a 2-axis laser cutting printing etched Cautery CNC 6550. 5500 megawatts laser is adjustable lens for focus. Suitable focus length is 6-7 cm. It can engrave on wood, plywood, bamboo, leather, black acrylic, plastic, rubber, etc. It also can cut about 2 mm carbon board and wood board. 15W laser is fixed 18 mm focus, engrave much faster, large power. It can engrave on stainless steel easily and fast speed, and also suitable for some other metal printing. It can cut about 3 from wood, leather, black acrylic, and etc. Parameter: Model CSE 50406550430 laser engraver. Engraving area: 50-40 cm 65-50 cm 40-30 cm Bullet in firmware. GRBL 1.1f frame material: aluminum and acrylic. Control software: Laser GRBL works with Lightburn software. Working mode: USB with PC for Windows XP 7, 8, 10 or offline controller. Get 27% off right now. Link in this video descriptions. 50040 ohm GRBL 1.1f CNC laser engraver 15W wood engraving machine 12 volts 5 a 2-axis laser cutting printing etched Cautery CNC 6550.